maximum frequency. For group data, we have a formula. Formula is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L is a lower limit of model class, F1 is a frequency of model class, F2 is succeeding frequency, H is class interval, and F0 is preceding frequency. We will easily understand by using one sum. Let's start first sum. Question number 1. The following table shows the age of patient admitted in a hospital during a year. 5 to 15 age group, number of patients are 6. 15 to 25 number of patients are 11. 25 to 35 patients are 21. 35 to 45 23. 45 to 55 14. 55 to 65 5. Find the mode and the mean of a data of given above. Mean you have to solve yourself. Mode I will solve how to calculate mode. First of all, here we have a age group and the number of patients. First of all, we have to select a maximum frequency. Maximum frequency here 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. The maximum frequency is 23. So I have to select this class. Means the class 35 to 45 and frequency is 23. So the lower limit is F. F is equals to 35. F1. F1 is the frequency of a model class. F0 is 21. Means the class which we are selecting, the above frequency or before frequency is 21. So this is F0. This is F0. This is F1. This is F2. Means here this is F2. Means this is F1, F2. Sorry, this is F0, F1, F2. Means here this is F1 23, F0 21, F2 is 14. And H, this is the class length. 15 minus 5 is 10. So the H is 10. Now putting the value of all the terms in formula. L is 35, this is 35. F1 minus F0 means 23 minus 21 upon 2 into F1 means 2 into 23 is 46 minus F0 minus 21. F2 is 14. First of all 35 as it is, 23 minus 21 is 2, 46 minus 21 minus 14, answer is 11 into 10. Then 2 is multiplied with 10, we will get 20. 20 by 11 is 1.8 and 35 is added in 1.6, 1.8, so we will get result equals to 36.8. Question number 5. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by top batsmen in one day international cricket match. 3000 to 4000 number of batsmen are 4, 4000 to 5000 number of batsmen are 18, 5000 to 6000 number of batsmen are 9, and so on up to 10,000 to 11,000 is only single batsman. We have to find the mode of a given data. Here the runs scored by the players 3000 to 4000 and the number of batsmen. Here the frequency. First of all, the highest frequency is considered to be F1 and in lower side it's F2. Means F2 is 9 and F0 is 4. That we have noted, F0 is 4, F1 is 18 and F2 is 9. And the model class is 4000 to 5000. Means this is 4000 which is called L. So L is 4000. Now the formula of mode is L plus bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is 4000 plus F1 is 18, F0 is 4, 2F1 is 8, 2 into 18 is 36, F0 is 4 and F2 is 9. Now solving this, first of all 18 minus 4 is 4, 14, 14 into 1000 is 14,000 and 4,000 is as it is. Now 36 minus 4 is 32, 32 minus 9 is 23. First of all, we have to divide 14,000 divided by 23. You will got answer 608.7, and we have to add 608.7 plus 4,000 is 4,608.7 runs. Thank you, students. You have to solve this sum yourself. Thank you.